HIC Kitchen's 2-in-1 mix and masher mixes and mashes potatoes and other softer cooked foods in a single cooking tool. Made from 18/8 stainless steel, sturdy and durable, will never rust, measures 10.25 inches. Mixes and mashes softer cooked foods, like potatoes, yams, pumpkin, squash, rutabagas, turnips, parsnips, carrots, apples, bananas, and more. Mash by pressing wires into cooked food until desired consistency is achieved. Side wires scrape the sides of bowls and pots while mixing and mashing. Easy to use and clean, rinse immediately before starches harden, dishwasher safe for thorough cleaning. HIC Kitchen's 2-in-1 mix and masher is specially designed to mix and mash softer cooked foods in a single cooking utensil. It's great for potatoes, yams, cauliflower, pumpkin, squash, rutabagas, turnips, parsnips, carrots, apples, bananas, and even rough chopped hard-boiled eggs. A versatile addition to cooking tools, its specially shaped side wires scrape down the sides of bowls and pots while mixing and mashing to ensure every morsel is processed consistently. Easy to use. Peel, cut, and cook foods until fork tender. Use a colander to drain them well and return them to the pot. Press the wires of the mix and masher downward and repeat until the desired consistency is achieved. Made from 18/8 stainless steel, the world's greatest 2-in-1 mix and masher is sturdy, durable, and will never rust or transfer flavors or odors between uses. Easy to use and clean. Rinse immediately before starches harden. Dishwasher safe for a thorough cleaning. Brought to you by HIC-Harold Import Company. Top reviews from the United States. Buy it now. I'm wondering where this little gizmo has been all of my life. I seriously don't have to pull out my 30-pound KitchenAid mixer to make mashed potatoes. It is the easiest kitchen tool to use and it doesn't take up much room, yet it feels sturdy and solid in your hands. I'm so happy I read other people's reviews that talked about the quality because I would rather spend $5 more and get something that I'm not getting to Goodwill next year. This is awesome and you should buy one too.